Hi, I'm Tressa Brannon from Total Style Solutions, and today we're at Kings Row Formal Wear in Salt Lake City, Utah. Let's talk about how to pack your suit so you don't get a bunch of wrinkles in it. So hopefully you have a good quality suit. Now you can take it off the hanger and fold it and put it into your suitcase. You can take it and put it in a garment bag. So a lot of times when you purchase a good suit, a good quality suit, you'll get a nice garment bag to go with it. This is just an inexpensive, lightweight garment bag that you can put in. But a garment bag will help to keep the wrinkles from creasing really hard and getting really definite. So you can put it in to your garment bag and just slip it all right in there and zip it up. And I like to, once I zip it up, get it all shaken, make sure the wrinkles are nice and out of it, shake it up real good. And if you have to fold it, you just gently fold. You could fold it as many times as you need to get it into your suitcase and plop it in. Now, when you get to your location, when you're done traveling, you just pull it out, hang your suits as soon as you can. Take them out of the suitcase and hang them up as soon as you can. And there you go. That's how you can pack a suit without getting it wrinkled.